Here's how to fix the user not logged in error in Among Us account. So this works for both iPhone and Android devices or any other device that you're using. First, swipe up to see your notifications. Turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, or switch to your mobile data. Ensure that your flight mode is not turned on, and if that does not work, restart your Wi-Fi router and your phone. Next, go to the App Store or Play Store according to your device you're using, whether Android or iPhone. Click on the search bar in the top and search for Among Us application. Tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, go ahead, select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Also try clearing the app's cache. For that, you need to go ahead, tap and hold onto the Among Us application, tap the eye icon in the top to go to App Info, then scroll down, select Storage, then click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, and this will log you out, and you can log back into your account as well. Come back right before stopping this application and re-enable it again, and this should definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.